What's up, internet marketers? Zyke Paws from internetmarketinggym.com. Today I want to talk about my disappointment. I'm disappointed, but I shouldn't be. Well, you see, today this is my email inbox, and I've made a little bit over 16 sales today, and this to me is a slow day. But my snap feeling was disappointment when I first saw this. And as the day in the United States where most of my market lives is winding down, I don't think I'm making any more sales for today. But I shouldn't be disappointed. I should say. There was a time when I was making zero. That's right. And I think most marketers, you hear that? That's the world happening. The person next door is doing remodeling. Jesus, I look so sweaty. I just got out of the sauna. Anyways, the point of the matter is, there was a time in my life when I was making zero a day. A lot of people, a lot of newbies make zero a day. And to get from zero to over $100 a day requires some work. Requires you to set up systems. When I mean systems, I mean your website. I mean your squeeze page. I mean your thank you page. I mean your email series. Basically an email funnel, okay? When I say email funnel, I mean these things. Squeeze page, thank you page, email series. Maybe 4 or 7 different emails. Don't forget the lead magnet. What's a lead magnet? Lead magnet is the thing that attracts your visitors to jump into your email funnel, okay? You gotta set up your systems first. You gotta get up your traffic sources, be it free or paid, okay? Pinterest is a good free traffic source. If you're a newbie, I recommend you start with Pinterest, YouTube, and then if you're good at writing, creating lots of content, then most definitely Google itself. The point of this video is, when I opened up my email inbox and I saw these not so impressive incomes in PayPal payments, I got to remind myself that there was a time when I was making zero. Now, I'm nothing special, I'm nothing unique, I'm not tech savvy, any of that. I'm just a regular guy who just took the time to create content that got ranked in one platform or the other, be it YouTube or Pinterest or Google. And I made it so that when that traffic landed on my site, they were attracted to the freebie I was giving away. Okay, for example, here's one. Let me give you one right here. It attracted people to a freebie that I gave away. For example, here 20 free baby shower printable games. They put their name and email. They signed up. That sent them to a thank you page where I offered them a premium printable. And then in my email series, I was giving them more value, also selling them printables. That also, of course, whatever you're selling, be it free. If you give away something for free, or are you asking your audience to pay for something, either way, it's going to provide value. It's going to help them accomplish their goal, okay? And if you start helping people accomplishing their goal, then you can have disappointing days like these. That's what this video is about. Yeah, it's that simple, okay? Just you got to start today. Get your site up. Be niche specific, not market specific, be niche specific, okay? So baby showers, for example, is a market, and a niche would be, for example, my niche, printable baby shower games, okay? It's very niche specific, okay? And then from there, you create a lead magnet that speaks directly to that niche. You set up your squeeze page. I have free squeeze pages for you. You can get them on Internet Marketing Gym. You set up your thank you page. I got free thank you pages on Internet Marketing Gym. They're yours, of course. You set up your lead magnet. I have a lead magnet creators kit. I'll give you a link to that below. Okay, and then an email series. Okay, and for the longest time, I haven't provided you with a email funnel template. Well, that's changing now. I'm going to be releasing an email funnel template very soon, today or tomorrow, maybe tonight. Definitely by tomorrow, I'll be releasing that. So if you're interested in picking that up, a proven squeeze page, proven thank you page, and 4 email templates that will help you get conversions and sales, then by all means, I'll see you tomorrow with that, or maybe tonight. I haven't made up my mind yet. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Internet Marketing Jim, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.